Paulo, live in multinational Paranaque City. My mobile number is 0910-983-1429. My email address is markgamer64@yahoo.com. My career object, to build a career that can utilize my knowledge and experience as a medical technology, well as my communication and interpersonal skills. My work qualities and kind of a person in my task at particular time. A personal data, I'm born in May 1, 1991, age of 18 years old, religion of Roman Catholic, citizenship Filipino, India. Education background, I'm studying Lugo Elementary School. At my secondary level, I'm studying Lugo International Institute Incorporated Foundation. Now, this college time, I'm studying STI Paranaque Character Restaurant. My mother is Gregoria Yacora, government employee, and my father is Virgilio Yacora, company assistant. That's all. Thank you.